Well, here we are back in Christmas garage, and I'm going to try something today. I did a little one once before. Well, it was a big one. I made an anvil out of a railroad iron. I'll show it to you. You give me something to look at. Oh boy, she's a big one. Ah! And it came out pretty decent. Shaped it out, and then torched it out, and then took a grinder and smoothed it all up and cleaned it up. But anyhow, we're going to put that one away. Put that down here. And I'm going to try, I got a smaller piece of railroad iron, and I'm going to see if a portaband will cut it. And if it does, we're going to try and make a little anvil for my grandson. He does leather work, and every now and then he needs something hard to beat on. And he said his thumb's getting sore, so I'm going to try to make him a little tiny anvil to beat on. It'll be fun to build, so I'm going to take you along, and I'm going to have fun. I don't know about you. So, all right. Okay, I think I got focused on what you want to see. You don't want to see me anyhow. We're about to find out if this works. Here we go. Well, you can't say that can't be done. I think it did a real good job. Now that I got that done, I think we'll lay it out with a little bit of soapstone, and we'll use the old liquid wrench and liquid thing in here and notch these out and kind of shape it into a little bit of a horn for him. I better put this saw up so I know where it's at next time. And don't run a bandsaw with Croc shoes on. The metal gets down in your toes. It don't feel good. Okay, you seen the thing cut it. Well, she did a pretty good job. But what we got to do now is kind of lay it out to what we want our horn to look like. And it's just going to be a little one. That's just going to be for his little leather work. So, they don't have to be a big horn. Just one for looks. We got tools we ain't used yet. We've got some brand new still in the box. Some people are strung out on dope and beer and all that other stuff. I think I like the tools. So we put that up there and draw a straight line right across. That looks pretty good. So if we go, well, that line something like that. Something like that. That'll give us enough of horn for him. He ain't going to build no horseshoes unless it be for a Shetland pony. Alright, I'm going out here and see if that portaband will cut that. I'll be right back. Okay, here we go. Well, we had a few problems there. We'll see if we can fix them. We should be doing better now. Well, that don't work. Well, that did one of them, but killing my back. We're going to stop for a minute. Well, that saved a whole bunch of grinding. I guess I'll bring you along for that too. But I'm going to take a little bit of a break. We're going to have to get the fire wrench out and notch it up in here a little bit. Finish what we started screwing up over here. So I think we'll make a cute little one. Alright, I'm going back in here. Stop for a minute. Something now. Well, that looks like that's going to save us a whole bunch of grinding. It looks kind of tough right now, but it'll all come around. Hang with me. Well, do you think it's starting to look like a little anvil? I think it is. But I'll tell you what, if we had the booger bear get down in there and grind all them things, we might have to come up with a different idea for that. But we'll work on this end a little bit. See what happens. There we go. The old Harbor Freight grinder's hanging in there, ain't it? like it's been a couple of days and about 15 or 20 hours grinding. And what I'm going to do is just do a little bit of grinding here with the spot polishing we all got from Harbor Freight. They do a pretty good job. We're going to do some more of that, and then we're going to call it quits. Here we go. This here's what it started out like. That's what we got now. And well, you can see it's a little bit of a difference there. I really want to thank y'all for watching this. We have a lot of fun doing it. We hope it just touches somebody and gives them a little bit of enjoyment and entertainment on it. And I just want to say one thing. God bless y'all out there, and just remember, Jesus loves you. And we at Christmas Garage love you too. Bye-bye.